This is 14.1 exercise 5th problem. In retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mango according to the number of boxes. So here number of boxes are mangoes and number of boxes. 50 to 52 the mangoes are there in 15 boxes. 53 to 55 are there in 102. 56, 58, 135. 60 to 64, 25, and 60 to 64. 60 to 135, 115, and 25. 50 to 60 to 64. This is repeated here. So we will rub this. Okay. Now here 60 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gases are there total. Okay. Now we have to find out the mid value. Okay, what is the mid value? Upper class lower class interval plus upper class interval divided by 2. 50 plus 52 divided by 2. 51. Okay, what I told now here 2 difference is there. But what I told, once you get the first one, we can add, it is a regular class interval. We can add 2 to get the rest of the values. We need not find for everything 53 plus 55 upon 2, 56 plus 58 upon 2. But the thing is that it is not continuous. 50 to 52, 53 to 55. 56 gap is there. So it is a discontinuous frequency table. So what I told, to get the class interval, class length, class size के लिए क्या इसको continuous बनाना चाहिए. So how? Lower class interval is 50. 0.5 subtract करो, 49.5, and upper के लिए 52 is there. 0.5 add करो, 52.5. Okay, in the second class, so 53 is there. 0.5 subtract करो, 52.5. For this 0.5 add करो, 55.5. Now this is the upper boundary limit and this is the lower boundary limit. Subtract करो, 52.5 minus 49.5 is equal to 3. So exact class length or class size is not 2. 52 minus 50 will be 2. But here it is discontinuous. So we have to make it continuous. That is why the class length will be now how much? 3 is the class interval. Not class interval is not the 2. So we will be adding for the next one. We will be adding 354, 357, 360 and 363. So this is xi value. Any value we can take, but we will be taking 57 as A. Okay. Next is here stepwise deviation method we have to do. So what is the formula? Ui is equal to xi minus A upon height, class size. Okay, xi is what? 51 minus A is equal to 57 upon class height is equal to 3. So minus 6 upon 3. So here we will be getting minus 2. Okay. Now what is the class size? 3, 3. Okay, SAE 54 minus 57 upon 3. Minus 3 upon 3. Then as you know, it is 3, 3, 3 difference is there. So minus 2 plus 3, minus 1. Okay, here 0. 60 minus 57, 3 upon 3, 1. 63 minus xi 63, A 57. 63 minus 57 upon 3, here 2. Okay, now multiply FI UI is equal to 15 minus 2 minus 30. 110 minus 110. 135 into 0, 0. 115 into 1, 150. 50. Okay, now what we have to do? Here this is minus 140. 110, this is minus 140. This is 5, 6, 165. Okay, now minus 140 minus 140 minus 140 plus 165 is equal to 25. So हमारी सिग्मा एफ आई यू आई इज इक्वल टू here sigma fi ui is equal to sigma fi ui is equal to 25. Now if you add up all this, we are getting 400 here. Okay, now stepwise differentiation method. What is the formula? Bar x is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So bar x is equal to, what is our a? A is equal to 57 plus sigma fi 25. Okay, sigma fi 400 into class length is equal to 3. So bar x is equal to 57, 25 up 4. Okay, 3 upon 4. Bar x is equal to 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 sevens are 28. 57 3 upon 4, 4 sevens are 28. 57 plus 4 sevens are 28. 4 fives are. Okay, so here, sorry, 25 ones are 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40, 5 ones are 5, then here 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So 3 upon 8 we will be getting. So 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 value is, if you divide approximately, we will be getting 0.1875. So bar x is equal to 57.1875. मतलब 57.19 we can write. Okay.